How to view all the pictures and videos you have sent to someone on Instagram DMs. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can view all the pictures and videos you have sent to someone on Instagram DMs. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then head over to your DM section. And after you're there, just head over to the DM where you want to view all the pictures and videos you have shared. Now, first way is you can actually just scroll and find the pictures and videos. Now, if you want all the videos and pictures which will accumulate a lot after a long period of time, you can still view all of them at once. And for that, tap on the username on the top. After that, if you scroll down, you should see this section. This is the section where you can see the post that you have shared. After that, this is the section where you can see all the pictures and videos you have shared. So here you can see which photos you have shared, and then you can see who has shared them. So this was sent to me, and this photo was me sending to that person. So that's basically how you can view all the pictures and video, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.